everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 3, Day 2. So today is Tuesday, and we are going to work on phonemic awareness. That's where we hear things. So I'm going to say the sounds in the word knob, and we're going to break it apart. So b. How many sounds? 3. Okay, let's do a couple more. Wrote. O, t. 3 sounds. Flaw. Full, 3 sounds. Knock, k. 3 sounds. Booth, th. 3 sounds. Choice, ch, s. 3 sounds. House, ow, s. 3 sounds. Wreck, k. 3 sounds. There are a lot of 3 sounds. Snore, s. Or 3 sounds. No, o, 2 sounds. There we go. Through, oo, 3 sounds. So most of those were 3 sounds. So let me grab my stylus. That's what I write with. And today I wanted to do a bit of a fun color. So I chose gold. So I'm going to underline the part that we're working on. So please remember WR, the W is silent. One second, let me make it a little bit thicker. So the W is silent, and so I'm going to give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, write. Remember the K is silent. 3, 2, 1, kneel. 3, 2, 1, wrote, like I wrote a letter. 3, 2, 1, knife. 3, 2, 1, wrong. So remember GN, we forget the G, and it's a N. 3, 2, 1, gnaw. So gnaw is like chewing on something. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, wrap. Like I wrap a present. 3, 2, 1, wren. And a wren is a type of bird. Last of all, 3, 2, 1, wrist. So once again, you'll notice we're working on the rose card and the nest card. So this is the letter R, but we say So WR, the W is silent. So it's an sound, as in right. Okay, let's look at the nest card, the sound. So there are 2 of these. I'm not sure why there are 2. KN, the K is silent, as in knot, like you tie a knot. And GN, the G is silent, as in gnat. So and gnat is a bug. So let's blend some of these. Gnat. Gnat. Knee. Knee. Right. Right. Okay, let me move over here. Okay, so I'm underlining this so that you know that's the silent, there's a silent letter in this, which is K, so we're going to ignore the K and just say the no. No. Wrong. Wrong. So remember, this one's a little tricky. This is a sound. Gnome. Gnome. Here we go. Knob. Knob. Wrist. Wrist. Now if I didn't get rid of the W sound, it would be wrist. And wrist isn't a word, so it would be wrist. So once again, knock. Knock. Wrap. Wrap. Okay, let's keep going. Wreck. Wreck. Okay. Night. Night. Now, if I didn't have this, that would be night. Like I go out to see the I go out in the night to see the stars. But if we have the K, it means a knight in shining armor. So a person who fights back in the olden days on a horse. Okay, so let's read some of these words. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 seconds. This says 3, 2, 1, knack. Change the a to ah. Knock. Change the k to b. So knob. Get rid of the b. Cover it up with your hand. No. Add a n at the end. So known. Change the n to t. So no. Oh, ah. So ah. Yeah, not. I'm still learning too. Okay, change. So not, like you tied something in a knot. Now change the ah to I. Knit. Change the t to, okay, change the I to I and add an F in the blank. So it would be I, knife. Get rid of the and change the, get rid of this and then change this to an E. So E. Add an L to the end of the word. Kneel. Okay. So here are, once again, you'll do your spelling on the computer today, or you can do it in a worksheet, or you can do both. Okay, so let's read some of these. Knee. Kneel. Kneel. Wrap. Wrap. Oh, whoops. Not. Not. Now this is the trickiest one. Gnome. Gnome. Wren. Wren. A wren is a bird. Okay, let's read some sentences. He cut the knife with a okay, that is backwards. It should be he cut the knot. He cut the knot with a knife. That makes more sense. Okay, and you'll notice and Okay, let's look at our story for today. Mrs. Wright's job. Okay, so here's some words you'll see. Children, there, said, I've been, our, do, have, there. Mrs. Wright's job. Oh, sorry, Miss Wright's job. She's not married. Miss Wright came to class to show students a map. The children had seen her on the news. She was there to talk about her job. Miss Wright pointed to a large map on the wall. It showed clouds, sun, wind, snow, and rain. Then Miss Wright said, I've been on TV for 6 years. I predict when storms are headed our way. I read maps and reports, but sometimes I am wrong. Miss Wright showed a picture of a big spinning cloud. This storm can wrench, that means pull, wrench cars from the ground and wreck homes. I tell people when to find a safe place from the storm, she said. Miss Wright asked, Do you have questions for me? The children put up their hands. John asked, Which month has the most big storms? That would be has the biggest storms. In our state, most storms happen in the winter, Miss Wright replied. After Miss Wright left, the class wrote her a note. It said, Thank you for teaching us about storms. Okay, so we are talking about compound words. So remember, a compound word is 2 words put together. So we have bird, house, put it together, birdhouse. So here it is, bird, house, birdhouse. Okay, let's look at some others. Okay, so I'll say a word and we're going to break it apart this time. So book bag, book, bag, book, bag. Okay, daydream, day, dream, day, dream. Wristwatch, wrist, watch. wrist, watch. Homework, home, work, home, work. Baseball, base, ball, base, ball. Okay, let's keep going. So I'm just going to kind of show you these. They want us to put them in a little chart, but I'm just going to circle them in different colors. So let me go. So let's do the N, GN as blue. So gnat, that's not GN, that's not GN. No, no. Gnu. A gnu is a type of animal in Africa. We don't really see them here. I actually didn't even know what gnus were until I taught this lesson. So we have gnat and gnu. Then we have gnat again. Oh, and gnu again. Okay, that's fine. And then let me get a new color. Let's do There's right. That's not right. And wrong. Now this is not like right, like I made the right choice. This is like I write on a piece of paper. So I'll put like a little paper by it. I write on a piece of paper, and this is wrong. Okay, let's do one more. Different color. We're looking for N again. So this is knife and no. There we go. Okay, so let me get my pen back. Okay, here we go. Here are our high frequency words. Bin. Now remember, this would be bean, but bean is not the right word. It's bin. The children have been here all day. Children. The children have been here all day. Month. This is the first month in the year. Question. Their group has a question it would like to ask. Their group has a question it would like to ask. Year. This is the first month of the year. Okay, so we've been talking about indefinite pronouns. So indefinite pronouns mean it doesn't really tell you who the person or thing is. So nobody literally means no person. Somebody means no special person. That means we don't know which person it is. And anybody means any person. So let's look at some of these. I knocked on the door, but nobody came. That would be, my indefinite pronoun would be nobody. And nobody means no person. Or literally, no body. No person. Okay. Somebody got my backpack by mistake. Okay, the indefinite pronoun would be somebody, and if I broke it literally apart, it'd be some body. So someone, we don't know. We don't know who it is. It could be, it's no special person, no body. Okay, I didn't know anybody at my new school. The indefinite pronoun is anybody, which means anybody means it's the same as anyone. So it could be any person. So any person or any body. Okay, let's look at a few more. Okay. Okay, so let's read some, and I'll give you 3 seconds to find it, and then we'll go over it. Paul said nobody wants to play ball. 3, 2, 1. Nobody. Nobody literally means no person or no body. Okay, let's do our next indefinite pronoun. Okay, I wish I could find somebody who wants to play. 3, 2, 1. Somebody. Somebody means some person or some body. Literally mean some person. So some person. Okay, last one. Luke, do you know anybody who wants to play? Anybody who wants to play? 3, 2, 1. Anybody. So anybody literally means any person. Or if you literally break it apart, it means any body. Okay, I hope that made sense. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.